Today is National Public Lands Day, and the goal behind every time there is a National Public Lands Day is to clean up the area that we recreate in.
There's so many choices of what to do on a Saturday here in Las Vegas, but we came here to get dirty, get all this stuff cleaned up. Whatever's packed in, we're packing out.
The BLM is out here with different groups and organizations, volunteers, and we are out here to clean up the area, to make it more accessible and beautifying it for the public.
We decided to apply for a grant so that we would be able to work with the signage up here. In our funding for this year, we were able to purchase an equipment trailer and also has all the signage material that we currently need for the upcoming year.
Would I encourage groups to apply for a grant? Without a doubt. As one of 5 members of the OHV Commission, obviously it's a group effort with the sole goal in mind to funnel registration dollars back into the user dirt.
We are a full-size off-road club, and our registrations don't go into the funding for the grants. However, we're the manpower and the bodies that want to be able to work and help because we all want to get along and play in our backyard.
If you have a great idea, you have a great concept, places that you ride where you think, wow, something could go here. It could be anything. Don't think it's too big or too small. And there are resources that the commission has to help you write a grant and put a good grant together and get it before the commission. Just come up with an idea. We'll take care of the rest.